Hi everybody, so today we're going to go ahead and go to canva.com, and if you have not signed in, make sure you sign in and get an account. There's a free account, there's a pro account. I recommend the pro account to do all the different types of fun stuff. So what we're going to do today is a Facebook post, and we're going to go ahead and choose a blank post. And then once all of that loads, we're going to go ahead and upload a picture. So you basically go on the side. Actually, first we'll go ahead and color my background. So it's white. I'm going to go ahead and do it like a mustardy orange. Go to uploads and then go ahead and find a picture. And then once that happens, I'm just going to go ahead and wait and click on effects. And then I will click on background remover and wait a couple of seconds and it'll just do its thing. And finally, the background will be removed. Ta-da! Go ahead and resize, click and drag to whatever you want the position to be. And I also go ahead and crop the sides, that way it's easier to resize. So on the sides, you'll see those crop little lines. Go ahead and make that smaller so it's easier to move it around. Now the next thing you're going to do is you are going to copy this picture and paste another one. And to create an outline, you basically click on the one in the back, click on it, and you will go ahead and click on duotone. And you can choose literally any tone you want. We're going to go ahead and choose the Mystic option. And obviously it does not look so pretty. We're going to go ahead and click on adjust, and you could play around with the brightness, contrast, blur. Go ahead and see which one kind of makes it glowy more. And once you go ahead and do that, blur is also a good option because it nicely blurs it. And then once you like it, go ahead and place your picture on top of this. And you just play around with every button you see because it helps a lot. And there you go. And then just kind of shrink the first image to make it look like there's an outline. You can also go ahead and choose a darker background so it shows better. In this one I used amber. And then once you're all set, go ahead and at the top where you see publish to Facebook, go ahead and click download a PNG, and then just go ahead and click on download. And you're all set. Save it to desktop and you're done. Thank you so much. Have a good day.